How to perform a safe and effective prostate massage to relieve discomfort. Steps to perform a safe and effective prostate massage. Welcome to Prostate Patrol. In today's video, we'll guide you through performing a safe and effective prostate massage to alleviate discomfort and improve prostate health. This video is for informational purposes only, and we strongly recommend consulting a healthcare professional before starting. Prostate massage and its benefits. Prostate massage involves gently stimulating the prostate, a walnut-sized gland located just below the bladder. This practice can help release trapped fluids, improve circulation, and, in some cases, reduce discomfort associated with prostate issues. Let's dive into how to do it correctly. Preparation and key considerations. Preparation is essential for a safe and comfortable experience. Here's what you need to know. 1. Hygiene. First, ensure your hands are clean and wear disposable gloves to minimize the risk of infection. 2. Lubrication. A high-quality lubricant makes the process smoother and more comfortable. 3. Relaxation. Find a private, quiet space. Take deep breaths to relax. This will ease access and minimize initial discomfort. Step-by-step guide to prostate massage. Let's get into the step-by-step process for a safe and effective prostate massage. 1. Find a comfortable position. The most recommended position is lying on your side with your knees pulled towards your chest. Alternatively, standing with one leg elevated can also work. 2. Gentle insertion. Using your lubricated index finger, slowly and gently begin insertion into the rectum. Move at a steady pace and avoid abrupt movements to reduce discomfort. 3. Locate the prostate. Once inside, feel for a small, walnut-shaped bump approximately 2 inches in. This is your prostate gland. 4. Stimulation. Apply gentle, circular pressure or move your finger in and out with soft motions. Avoid excessive force. Light stimulation is sufficient to achieve the benefits. Duration and frequency. To see benefits, the massage doesn't need to be prolonged. A few minutes is enough. You can perform this practice once or twice a week if it feels comfortable. Always listen to your body and stop if you experience any discomfort. Precautions and professional advice. While prostate massage offers numerous benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Men with infections, severe inflammation, or conditions like prostate cancer should avoid this practice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting, especially if you have a history of prostate-related issues. And there you have it. A guide to performing a safe and effective prostate massage. We hope this information helps improve your prostate health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Prostate Patrol, and hit the notification bell for more men's health content. See you next time.